Hi, this is Marty once again and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is all about top 10 longest living animals on Earth. Animals living under natural conditions rarely approach their maximum possible age because of very high death rates due to infant mortality, disease, predators, bad weather, habitat destruction, or competition for food and shelter. Join me and let's learn together the list of 10 animals that would have the longest lifespans living under ideal circumstances. Number 10. Red Sea Urchin. Red sea urchins are believed to be almost immortal. They are found in the shallow water of the Pacific Ocean along the west coast of North America. These small spiny creatures have been known to live for more than 200 years. Number 9. Koi fish. Koi usually live for 25 to 30 years, but there are reports of koi that have reached ages over 200 years old. One famous koi in Japan, named Hanako, died in 1977, and a study of the growth rings of one of her scales reported that she was 226. This made her older than the United States of America. Number 8. Longfin Eel. Native to New Zealand and Australia, these eels often live to 60 years old, with the oldest living longfin eel recorded as being 106 years old. Like the Greenland shark, these fish grow very slowly, which is why they can grow so old. Number 7. Macaw. Macaws can live up to 60 to 80 years, while their breeding age ranges from 30 to 35 years. Unfortunately, the majority of macaws are now endangered in the wild, and a few are already extinct due to habitat degradation and illegal pet trade. Number 6. African elephant. Elephants are highly social animals with incredible memories. This could be attributed to their large brains, which can reach over 5 kilograms in mass. The largest surviving land animals have an average lifespan of 70 years, and a recent Zimbabwean study has found that female African elephants can potentially remain fertile until their death. Number 5. Galapagos giant tortoise. Living up to its name, the Galapagos giant tortoise is the biggest tortoise in the world. They're also one of the laziest, sleeping for nearly 16 hours a day. The largest living species of tortoise that can survive well past 100, with the oldest recorded at 152. The most famous Galapagos tortoise was Lonesome George, a subspecies who live on the islands. He was 100 years old and still classed as a young adult. He had become an ambassador of sorts for the islands off the coast of Ecuador, whose unique flora and fauna helped inspire Charles Darwin's theories on evolution. Number 4. Bowhead Whale. Bowhead whales have an average lifespan of 200 years. One whale was even found with fragments of a harpoon dating back to the 1800s in its blubber. They spend their lives in the Arctic and subarctic and are the fifth largest marine mammal. Bowhead whales are one of the longest living mammals in the world. They are uniquely adapted to living all year round in the cold, harsh Arctic seas. Bowhead whales are famous for their complex and beautiful songs, which they use to communicate with each other. Number 3. Greenland Shark. These sharks can reach ages of 200 years old, although one individual was found that was 400 years old, making it the oldest vertebrate in the world. They live so long because they grow very slowly. They grow about 1 cm a year and reach maturity at about 100 years old. Now that's a long childhood. Number 2. Ocean Quahog. Some collected specimens have been calculated to be more than 400 years old. These animals show exceptional longevity, with the highest reported age for Ming the clam of 507 years. The clam so named as it would have been alive during the Ming Chinese dynasty. And the number 1 longest living animal on Earth is the immortal jellyfish. Jellyfish are said to be biologically immortal, which means that if their body starts to deteriorate through age or damage, then it is able to regenerate itself. A very unique jellyfish which can revert back to its premature state when exposed to stress or injury. What this means, it is biologically immortal. In practice, they don't live forever and get injured and eaten just like other animals. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.